Are you having difficulties generating a tube map over thousands of tubes? Is preparing a full inspection report taking too much time? Introducing our patented technology, TMR, a software solution for accurate tube mapping and report generation in only 5 minutes. Now compatible with Olympus Multiscan MS5800. Generate a tube map accurately by using photographs, schematic drawings, or manual crafting. Report generation tools include instant graphs and charts, customizable defect tables, importing of photographs, and color beam. Stay ahead of your competition with TMR. Submit your tube inspection report ahead of time for that bonus in early completion.